This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Pam Sharon. Welcome to 547 Honeyflower Loop. An exceptional lot, home and lifestyle in Greyhawk Landing. Loads of privacy, with a gorgeous long lake view and trees beyond. This fabulous home is a custom designed and modified Sawgrass floor plan, by Homes by Towne. If you're in search of a large home with spacious rooms, high ceilings, quality finishes, in an amenity-filled gated community, this is perfect for you. Over 4,200 square feet of interior space, with a bright and open floor plan. Perfect for a growing or large family. The first floor offers a foyer entry, with a great room open to the family room, generous-sized breakfast room, a wonderful kitchen with gas range, granite, stainless appliances, pantry, glass front display cabinets and breakfast bar. Plus, a formal dining room, mud room, office nook, laundry room prepped for a wet sink and a large storage closet, a powder room, and the luxurious owner's suite that is sure to please. Upstairs has 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, a large bonus room, plus a possible 5th bedroom currently being used as an office or gym. Loads of upgrades including 8-foot interior doors throughout, crown molding, new wood plank tile floors on the first level, gorgeous landscaping, outdoor fire pit and side fenced yard. So much to enjoy in Greyhawk Landing. Located in the newer section, with easy access to the manned and gated front entrance, 2 fabulous community centers, lagoon-style pools, spas, water slide, fitness facility, tennis courts, playgrounds, soccer fields, basketball courts and 5 miles of walking and biking trails. Located in the highly rated Lakewood Ranch School District. Come and see what makes Lakewood Ranch and Greyhawk Landing the best place to be in Florida. Call today for a private showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Pam Sharon at 941-993-3388.